Good afternoon. Today we're at Markquart Toyota, one of the Markquart family of automobile dealerships. I'm John with Auto Armor. We're going to talk real briefly about the ECP Plus program. This is a paint sealant that's good for 7 years. As a matter of fact, after 7 years, it's going to retain almost 98% of the shine on your vehicle. How does that happen? We're using ceramic and we're using diamonds. Just to demonstrate how this works, I'm going to take a little bit of black enamel spray paint and paint this white car. This might be a nice warm day like today in Wisconsin, and we might burn it in. So, this was your car. This might be representative of tree sap, bird droppings, environmental fallout. You'd get out your nice little Markquart kit and put that on the burnt in black spray paint. All of our products are water-based, so they're not going to injure or hurt you. While we let that set for a minute, let's talk about the interior. We do the interior leather vinyl from the ceiling to the floor. We also cover headlights, black trim. As part of the full protection package, we also give you replacement tires, dents, dings, chips in the windshield, and lost keys. So let's just see if this works. As you can see, we are just basically dusting off black enamel sprayed on paint. So what I'd recommend, once you've decided which vehicle is correct for you here at Markquart, talk to your sales rep, talk to your finance manager on how you can get this valuable product on your vehicle. Thank you.